Hey everyone, and welcome to the club. Today I'm going to be showing you how to draw Gomez Addams from the Addams Family movie. Let's get started in the center of our page with the eyes. So I'm going to move over to the left side and draw in a large circle. So I'm going to start from the very top and work our way down towards the bottom and then back up towards the top. Now I'm going to leave a gap in the center and draw the same thing on the right. So we want to line up the top of the circle, come down to the same height along the bottom, and then back up towards the top. Let's draw on the upper eyelid. We're going to start on the left side of the eye. We're going to curve up in the middle, and then back down on the right. Let's do the same thing on the right side. Now we're going to move down and draw on the lower eyelid. This one's a little bit thinner, so we're going to start on the left side, come down so the spacing is a little bit narrower than the top. Do the same thing on the right side, coming down and then back up on the outside. Now we're going to add two small ovals on the inside for the pupil. So let's start on the left side, right in the middle of the eye. Draw in an oval. And go to the right side and do the same thing. Let's go ahead and fill the pupils in black. Now in between the eyes, we're going to draw on the nose. We're going to start with a curve from left to right, going up and then back down. We're going to add two small circles on either side for the nostrils. I'm going to fill those in black. Now we're going to add an eye bag underneath each eye. Starting on the inside of the left eye, we're going to curve down and then out, directly underneath the pupil. Let's do the same thing on the right. Curve down and then out. Let's draw a curve for the mouth. So on the left side, we're going to step up, curve down in the middle, and then back up on the right side. Directly below the mouth, I'm going to add a smaller curve for the lower lip, coming down and then back up. Now we're going to add the mustache in between the nose and the mouth. So in the center, we're going to draw two short lines, coming down side by side. Now at the bottom, we're going to draw two straight lines going out towards the side of the mustache. Now we're going to connect the top and the side with an angled line coming down. Let's go ahead and fill the mustache in black. Let's move up and draw on the eyebrow. So we're going to draw a curve over the left eye. Starting from the outside, we're going to curve up. Just follow the same curve of the eye coming down. Now on the inside, I'm going to draw a short angled line coming up and in. Let's do the same thing on the right. So we're going to line this up, curve up over the eye, and then down towards the side. And then on the inside, we're going to angle up and in. Now we just want to thicken up the eyebrow. We're going to start on the end, we're going to taper so it gets a little bit thicker as we come up and in towards the inside line. Let's do the same thing on the right. Curving up, and then tapering it out. We're going to fill the eyebrows in black. Now right in the center, we're going to go up towards the top of the head. We're going to start with a point. Now from this point, we're going to draw the inside curve of the head. So starting from the center, we're going to curve up, come down around the side of the eye, and come straight down. Let's do the same thing on the right. Starting from the center, we're going to curve up, come down the side of the head, and then down right beside the eye. Now we just want to add the edge of the hairline. Starting on the left, we're going to angle up and out with a short line, and then we'll come down and out. Let's do the same thing on the right, going up and then back down. Now we're going to go back to the center. We're going to draw a short line going up to separate out the hair. Now from this point, I want to curve up and over. I'm going to come up and then just across to right about there. Do the same thing on the right, going up and then across. From the corner of the hair, we're going to round this out and come down towards the outside of the hair. Starting on the left, we're going to round this out, curve around, and then just pull that in. Let's do the same thing on the right. Rounding out the corner, curving out, and then back in. Now we're going to draw on the lower part of the head. Starting from this top point of the hair, we're just going to draw a half circle, coming down towards the chin. Now I'm just going to pull that up on the right side towards that top point. On the left side of the cheek, directly underneath the eye, we're going to draw a small circle filled in black for the mole. Now we're going to go to the sides and draw in the ear. From this point of the hair, we're going to step up, draw a small half circle, going out and then in behind the head. We'll do the same thing on the right side. Now that we've completed the head, let's draw in the collar. We start right in the center, start with a point. From this point, we're going to angle up and in underneath the head. So we're going to draw a curve going out, and then we'll just pull that up. Let's do the same thing on the right. Starting from the center, we're going to curve this out and then up. Let's draw on the shirt collar. In the center, underneath the chin, we're going to angle down and out towards the left, and then the right. And then from here, we're going to angle up towards the top corner of the collar. Now let's add in the tie. From the inside edge of the shirt collar, we're going to come in toward the center, and then back up. Now from the center point of the tie, we're going to come down and out, in behind this collar. Now we're going to add in the collar of the jacket. Starting from the bottom point, we're going to curve this out, so we're going to taper it out. So it gets a little bit wider as we come up. Now we're going to angle up and in. Now I'm going to draw on the top of the collar. About halfway along this line, we're going to angle up and out on both sides. Now we're going to go straight up underneath the head. Now let's draw on the side of the body. On the left side of the collar, we're going to step out. We're going to curve out. Now we're just going to pull that straight down towards the bottom of the jacket. Let's take that and flip it over on the right. So we're going to line this up. So right here, we're going to curve out, and then pull that down towards the same height. Now let's connect the two lines with a curve. Starting on the left, we'll curve down, and then back up on the right. From the center point of the collar, I'm going to draw a straight line coming down towards the bottom of the jacket. Let's add two buttons over on the right side of this line. Starting at the top, we'll add one circle. Now we're going to come down and draw that same size circle. Let's add one more button along the bottom here. Now we're going to move to the side and draw two long rectangles for the pocket. Start on the left side, we're going to draw a straight line going across. Now we're going to line this up on the right side. Now on the ends, we're going to come down with a short line. And then we'll close off the bottom with a straight horizontal line. Now we're going to go back up and draw the arms folded in behind the body. So from the top of this line, we're going to go up towards the head, curve out, and then down. Do the same thing on the right. Stepping up underneath the head, we'll curve out, and then down. Now we're going to pull this in behind the body. On the left, we're going to curve down and then in. Now I want to add that fold for the inside of the elbow. So right up here, we're going to curve up, and then down, aiming towards the point of the elbow. So do the same thing on the right, curving up, then aiming down. Now I'm going to move down towards the bottom and draw on the legs. Leaving a space in the center, we move over to the left, draw a straight line coming down towards the bottom of the feet. We'll do the same thing on the right side. Now let's round out the bottom of the feet. Starting from the left heel, curve down and then up. Do the same thing on the right side. Now from the toe, I'm going to draw a straight, short angled line coming up and in towards the ankle. And then from the ankle, I'm going to curve this out and up underneath the jacket. Do the same thing on the right side. Now let's draw on the cuff. From the ankle, I'm going to curve down and then back up towards the inside of the leg. Do the same thing on the right side. And that's pretty much it. There we have it. There's Gomez Addams from the Addams Family movie. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.